Malco's Rejuvenator. Rejuvenator is a one-step polish designed to remove moderate scratches and swirls. Carnauba waxes provide protection and additional gloss for an exceptional finish. The paint on this vehicle is covered in light swirl marks and has dulled over time. Things that you'll need is a rotary polisher and your choice of pad. You can use the green wool pad for the heaviest cut. The green foam pad provides less cut but will finish nicer, and the bloom foam pad for a quick finish for light marks and car wash scratches. You'll also need an extension cord, and it's always a good idea to wear some eye protection and gloves. Apply a quarter-sized amount of product. We recommend working between 1400 and 2000 RPM, and personally, I really like to stick around 1800. Work the product onto the surface until it begins to clear. While there's still a thin film of product, wipe the excess away. This way you know you've worked completely to the end and you haven't done any dry buffing. Once finished, wipe the area down with a clean microfiber to reveal a nice glossy finish. You'll notice that the small swirls and scratches are no longer present and your depth of color has been greatly improved. Now that your car's been rejuvenated, the carnauba waxes will help protect your newly polished vehicle for up to a month.